Thutha wa miaka 7 ya wetereri, riu Akiaria kaunti ya Nyeri undu umwe na Akiaria gicigo gia gatagati wa bururi riu ni megukorwo makigunikana na utungata wa thibitari ya level 6 ya Othaya. O ni thutha wa thirikari nene kuhitukira mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Peter Tum kwanirira ati thibitari uyu uria wakitwo na muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1 ni kuhingurwo kwa ihinda ria ciumia 2 ciukite.
My happiness because when we came here a month or so ago, we wanted to open up this facility that early. But we realized that there were small things that we needed to fix in order to ensure that once we open the doors, the services that are required are given.
Tum urio kwaragia hindi icera thibitari-ini ino niaugire ati gukinyanira na riu ni marikitie kwandika arigitani na ataramu a kurigita mirimu ngurani.
We have selected the best team of doctors, nurses, paramedics, and everybody who is going to work in this hospital level 6. These are people we have picked from various parts of this country who have had adequate training, who have had the kind of experience that we need, because then they are going to be dealing with that level 6 issues that cannot be handled at level 4, level 5 going downwards.
Oho Tum niongereire kuuga ati thibitari uyu uria uri na itanda 350 ni ugucenjio ritwa na gwitwo Mwai Teaching and Referral Hospital. Munini wake mubunge wa Othaya Gicuki Mugambi niaugire thibitari uyu ni ukunyihanyihia muhatikano thibitari-ini itiganite iria iri gatagati wa gicigo gia bururi.
Will not just open the doors at the hospital, but will be opening the services to the people of this constituency, this county, and actually the entire region, because this hospital will cover regions like Isiolo, like Kirinyaga. It will cover like Kipia, Muranga here. So it's a regional facility. And therefore we are very, very thankful.
Wona thibitari uyu wahingurwo urugamiriri waguo ukuiyukio ni thirikari nene.
But it is going to be fixed. It's not a big.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Waithira wa Kihara.